Welcome to A-Tech. Do you want to recover lost or hacked Gmail account? So first of all, open Google application. On top right corner, click on profile icon. Here you will see the list of existing Gmail accounts. So click on that arrow and select add another account. So here Google may ask for face or screen lock verification. So here type your Gmail account that you want to recover, then tap next. Now it's time to enter password, so click on try another way and tap next. Now Google asks for two-step verification. If you have recovery email, you can type, and if you don't have, then again select try another way. Here you can see, you can't sign in. So don't click on try again. Now minimize it. And make sure you are using phone from same location and with same Wi-Fi connection you usually use. So now open phone settings. Scroll down and select Google. Here on top right corner you can see three dots. Tap on it and you will see help option. Select it. So here search option appears. Now type login issue in search bar. Here select can't sign into your Google account. Now select the issue you faced. So I select someone is using my account. Here you can see recover your Google account or Gmail option. So select it. Here select Chrome browser. An account recovery page appears. So here again type your Gmail account that you want to recover and tap next. If you are recovering from same device, same Wi-Fi and same location, Google will automatically recognize you and ask for face, pattern or screen lock of your phone. So verify it's you. So after verification you will see update password option so you can change your password. If you like the video, subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials.